Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using my Miche beauty products. So I'm starting with the Lavish leave-in conditioner. Lavish is a moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner that will infuse dry hair with moisture-rich ingredients, leaving hair feeling soft and replenished. Then I'm going in with the Polished Hair and Scalp Oil, which is a lightweight moisturizing oil blend that penetrates the hair strands, soothes the scalp, and adds moisture and a beautiful shine to your hair. Last but not least, I'm going in with Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. Now this butter is extra hydrating and it replenishes and revitalizes dry, thirsty hair. And when I say extra hydrating, I mean extra hydrating. So the style that I'm doing today is a twist and curl. So I'm starting with a medium section and I'm twisting about 75% down, and then I'm adding a perm rod at the end. And I'll just be repeating these steps throughout my hair. Miche Beauty has several different products. One of the collections is the Intense Moisture collection, from which I'm using 3 of the products today. Other products from this collection include Indulge Deep Conditioner, a Strengthen Protein Moisture Balancing Deep Conditioner, and then also a Cleanse Sulfate-Free Shampoo. There's also a Style and Define collection, which includes the Bounce Curl Defining Cream and the Boost Hydrating Curl Refresher and Leave-In Spray. Miche Beauty offers sample sizes of all of those products, and they've also just created a limited edition line, which includes the Warm Sugar Cookie Limited Edition Deep Conditioner, Peaches and Cream Limited Edition Deep Conditioner, and Peppermint Candy Limited Edition Deep Conditioner. Definitely interested in trying those. So back to this Intense Moisture line that I'm trying today. So the leave-in conditioner is a very lightweight conditioner, very moisturizing. The Polished Hair and Scalp Oil, definitely a lightweight oil also. I love that. And then the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. You guys, I just can't even describe how moisturizing this product is. Like, you can do any style with this product and your results are definitely going to turn out bomb. So I have low porosity hair, and this line is my new bag. Like, I don't know where I have been, why I haven't tried these Miche products before, but I am so glad that I have joined on. I am definitely Team Miche. So again, I'm just going through, parting off a medium section, adding the leave-in, the oil, and then the Quench Hydrating and Twisting Butter, detangling my hair, and then I'm twisting about 75% down, and then adding my perm rod to the end. So now my hair is completed and I am just going to let it air dry overnight, and I will be back for the takedown. So here we are the next day, and my twists are ready for the takedown, and I can already tell the results are going to be bomb. Just my little curls at the end are so moisturized and so defined. I cannot wait to take these twists out. So I'm going to go in with the polished hair and scalp oil just to eliminate any unwanted frizz. And now it is time to unravel. Let's see this definition. Yes, definition on point, moisture on point, shine on point. These Miche products are bomb. So here are my final results. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.